OCONNECT has an app. Why is that important? What is app in technology? App is an abbreviated form of the word application. An application is a software program that's designed to perform a specific function directly for the user, or in some cases, for another software program. What is digital technology application? We refer to digital technology as tools, systems, and devices that can generate, create, store, or process data. The data processing and logic capabilities of digital technologies are enabled through microprocessors that are programmed to perform various functions. What type of technology are apps? Apps are pre-installed on your device or distributed via a proprietary app store such as the Apple App Store. Apps are typically written in different programming languages. For example, Android apps are written in Kotlin, Java, and C1s, while iOS apps are written in Swift and Objective-C under Xcode IDE. Which type of app can run on all the mobile devices? Native apps are created for one specific platform or operating system. Web apps are responsive versions of websites that can work on any mobile device or OS because they're delivered using a mobile browser. What are the three types of mobile apps? From a developmental perspective, apps can be divided into three types: native, hybrid, and web apps. Building each type involves utilizing different skills and methodologies, and there are pros and cons associated with them. Is there a mobile app that can operate on all platforms and devices? Hybrid mobile apps. Hybrid apps combine online and native app technologies to provide the best of both worlds. People enjoy hybrid apps because, unlike native apps, they can run on a variety of devices and platforms, which saves time during creation. What are the 5 mobile applications? There are 5 main categories of mobile applications on the market: native, mobile web, progressive web, hybrid, and cross-platform applications. Video conferencing application. A simple app that has core features can cost from $100,000 to $500,000 for development infrastructure. Today, where everything has been digitalized, the sharp demand for web and Android video conference apps is something being set in stone. How much does it cost to build an app? As you can see, many influencing factors can shift the cost to build a mobile app in either direction. The minimum app development cost is $5,000 to $10,000. A more complex mobile application will cost you around $50,000 to $75,000 and reach $300,000. According to studies, nearly 70% of the global workforce is likely to be virtualized by 2025, wherein most of the collaborative features will be from video conference applications. As a result, the businesses are doing a makeover with their appearance, involving strategies and technical tools to collaborate at each level. What is the cost to build an app? Basic video conferencing application. A simple app that has core features can cost from $100,000 to $500,000 for development infrastructure and the initial marketing. Which of the following are common features of video conferencing applications? Top 10. Features of video conferencing app. You should know: screen sharing, user management, mobile support, data encryption, recording and playback, integration with third-party apps, active speaker view, switching between speakers, mid-range video conferencing app. A more feature-rich application with more advanced features can range from $500,000 and up to $1.5 million. OCONNECT app is a high-end app. High-end enterprise solutions. The development of a complete enterprise-grade video conferencing platform that has advanced security and customizing options can surpass $2 million in development. Unlimited recording, real-time chat, private and secure meetings, background replacement, noise reduction, speaker tracking, AR face masks and avatars, event performance and attendee, unlimited participants, PowerPoint as a virtual background. ONPASSIVE OCONNECT app has over 48 features and more coming in the future. Innovative features that haven't been thought about with these other video conferencing platforms. So the top-of-the-time video conferencing apps cost $500,000 to $1.5 million. Think of the cost of designing OCONNECT app with more than 5 times more features.